clothes on.
I'm just gonna weigh her and I'll put it in and I'll put it in.
Yeah, I mean, it's interesting. Those preemie clothes almost don't fit her.
I know, they're, she's still so little. Sometimes like clothes, they say preemie, but they're actually seem a little bit.
Some like baby doll clothes. 'Cause we do have some baby doll clothes. That won't fit that one probably.
My sister's gonna catch up to them.
That's the older sister. Smaller one's older.
She might just pass it right around.
That's what I keep telling Kristen.
Oh, that's the biggest one I've seen all day. There's definitely a big size difference in them.
You're laughing.